guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video was inspired by food TikTok. I'll be attempting to make some Korean corn dogs. I use kraft mozzarella cheese cut into blocks with regular chicken sausages cut into half, and the skewers, well, get the good ones because these little ones I end up doubling them in two. For the batter, I use 1 2/3 cups all-purpose flour, fully sifted, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. You could use any kind of sugar that you have. I had brown sugar, so that's what I used. 1 whole tablespoon of instant yeast. Mix it well to combine all the ingredients to make sure that the yeast fully distributed throughout the flour. I use 1 egg, whole egg, yolk and everything. And for the liquid, I used 8 tablespoons of fresh milk. I use whole milk. I don't know if using a different kind of milk would make a difference, but I use whole milk because that is what I drink. I like whole milk. Mix everything well until you're supposed to end up with a kind of sticky dough. And I would recommend putting the dough in the fridge for half an hour. The dough along with the cheese and the sausage and the skewers in the fridge to keep everything cold, or else it wouldn't wrap well. Before I started wrapping my corn dogs, I just kind of lightly flour them to help the batter to stick onto it, and it was giving me some kind of trouble, so I ended up using the chopsticks just to get it to wrap around, and then I put it into the breadcrumbs. Here, all of them nicely wrapped and looking good. It's not too professional, but it's my first time, and I fried them in regular cooking oil. I let it get really hot. I didn't check the temperature, but I just make sure that it gets hot enough so that the cheese wouldn't leak out and melt. And after this is the taste test. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notifications bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you.
Is it? Oh, look at that!